Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig from scratch. This is my first time, so I definitely learned some things. And I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and explain some things, give you a little bit of details about the hair and everything. So this hair was from Alibaba, like AliExpress's older sister. It was a 22-inch 4x4 closure, so it's a closure and some bundles. It came in 22 inches now. It was feeling a little thin at the end. She got a haircut, so there is some things in between the clips that you guys didn't see, so I just want to pop in with this and let you guys know. So this was 22 inches. I cut probably about 4, maybe 5 inches off of it. I probably could have left it now that the wig is done and I'm looking at it. I probably could have left them, but the ends were feeling a little bit thin, and I am a man, so I feel like I need a lot of hair. It probably came to about right here, but I just gave it a little haircut, and then after I constructed the wig, you guys will see, I gave it roots. I did root the first bundle on the roots. After I finished it, I ended up filming that, which I got some color like on some places, but whatever. Yeah, why's my voice like that? There are definitely some things I learned, for sure. So if you guys want to see how I made this wig, how I colored it, this video is not the most informative. If you guys want like an actual tutorial, I can link some down below that I use. There's some girls that I really like that make some super bomb videos on here. This was kind of just me taking you through me making it the first time. And if you guys want to see how I made this wig, then keep on watching. So, I just got this package in the mail. Some lashes. These are 3 bundles. The closure. Oh my god, I'm dropping it. And then a baggie. So I gotta put the closure on here so that I can. I'm gonna color the roots. This isn't feeling the thickest of closure of hair at all, but you know. We'll just see. I don't know what that's doing, so. I mean, as wig making. Like, I know what I'm doing color-wise. But wig making, oh no, I have to, okay. 5 things I have to do. I'm gonna protect the lace with some Vaseline so that I don't hopefully tint the knots. Okay, for the root, I'm going to do Redken Shades EQ 3N. Okay. Also not wearing gloves because, like, I just feel lazy. Taking really thin sections because I just want to make sure I get like saturated as best as I can. Why is this so wobbly? I'm like death gripping this. Some of the knots might get dyed. Bitch, it's fine. This also might not be like as dark as my roots, which might not be the end of the world, but also might look stupid. Because this is going to be a closure wig, but obviously. Maybe I should have washed this before I dyed the knots. But I'm impatient, so hopefully this is in focus. this hair definitely isn't very full, like, at all. But whatever. It's definitely lace, so hopefully just the Vaseline protects me there. So, I have my bundles all out of the box. I'm gonna do a thing called sealing the bundles, where you put freight check on the, like, wefts of the bundles so that it helps them shed less. So I'm just gonna take this, just put it, make sure it's on all of the bundles. I don't know if I'm supposed to touch with my fingers, so I'm not going to. I'm gonna do the other two, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I have to, please focus. Oh my god, half this video is out of focus and like shoot myself. Oh my god, that lace looks stained in like a lot of places. Okay, literally in like the last 5 seconds, it has gotten so ugly. Me trying to shampoo out the color I got on the hair. I got my wig, got my mannequin stand, I got my dome cap on it, and I already measured it. You measure like the circumference thing. There are plenty of tutorials out there. This is not a tutorial, this is me figuring out if I know how to effing do this. So now I'm just gonna basically set my closure on there and set it like a teeny bit in front of it, and then pin it. And you want it like laying as flat as possible. Okay, on the back, I'm gonna thread my needle. There's my first knot, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead down this way, and then tie it off, and then I'll go the other way. Not like that. You want it to be as flat as possible, or so I know. So I think so. Especially on the closure, because you want this to lay really flat. And every couple of them, I'm gonna do like a double knot. Also, I probably should use black stitches for the closure, because I just probably should have, but I started using blonde stitches because I'm using blonde hair. I'll just put the blonde hair right up next to it, and then you hopefully won't be able to tell. And then with this part, you want to be really careful, the elastic band, that you don't sew all the way down. You just want to sew through that top layer. Oh, I have to restart this sewing. I'm gonna take the first bundle. I'm gonna use some T-pins and start pinning her in. I'm just gonna do the fold over method until I get all the way up, okay? Trying not to get all these little hairs stuck, but I don't know how people do it without getting all these little hairs stuck up. I'm just gonna start going back and forth like this up until I get closer to the cap, and then I'll be back. So I'm at this point and kind of lost. So I think I'm just gonna start from the closure and then do one like this, and then just start doing them horizontal. I just put the last track in. It's literally 12:30. It says still in my head and it makes it off. After I constructed it to get it a little bit flatter, I used my hot comb on all the roots of the bundles and the roots here just to get it really flat. So that's why in the clip of me curling it, it's like super volumized, and then you see it here and it's not as volumized. In the clip where I have the color on, you can see that the color is supposed to be a lot brighter in a lot of spots. Like the yellow is really the only one that took. There's some pink and blue down here that took, which I want to add more to it, but this wig, girl, I don't know what it is about this 613 hair. This is like this is the first 613 hair I've worked with making a wig. I have like a blonde wig that I bought from AliExpress, and it's not like, the hair just feels better. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic, which is what I'm assuming it is, but the hair I've heard right now that people are getting isn't super good. So the closure on this wig, sorry if you can hear cars. The closure on this wig literally took, all the hair on the wig took forever to dry. I tried to have it air dry and I had my box fan sitting in front of it, and in the morning the nape was definitely still the nape was still wet, but whatever, you live and you learn. I think for my first wig, this is a pretty good job, honestly. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I want to definitely make more of these. Don't really know if I'm gonna wait for the pandemic to be closer to be over so I can get like better quality hair, but if you guys enjoyed watching this video of me making this hair, give it a like. Thumbs up the video, it really helps my channel, and I will catch you guys on Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, everything is SIMPLYSETH with 2 H's, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. What is that?